Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about replying someone in LinkedIn. Guys, if you receive messages from people, then how will you reply them? This is the very simple thing to learn. Just simply go to your messages and here you can reply for your messages. And this is the simple way to reply someone, and the very easiest way to reply someone is just look at the right bottom on the screen, and here you will see messaging, and here you will get notification of your messages. Just simply click on it and reply your messages. So with this way you can send message to anybody, and you can see your news feed as well. Like if you searching for something and you want to talk with anybody as well, then this way is the very easiest way to chat with someone. Just simply go your messaging and click on that person's message and then reply them easily, and you can chat and you can do your work, both of them, easily in one time. So guys, this is how to reply someone in LinkedIn. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.